I have received with great pride and profound respect the reports emerging from Bindura, where our veterans, men and women, who paid the ultimate price for this nation's freedom in blood and sacrifice, stood their ground and refused to be bought. Refused. Saka pina mashoko abudanyo kopangwa ina kunzi vanhu vajamuka kutengewa panhau dziri kutsuridza dziri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe, especially constitutional amendments. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa paendo ya retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke Mapuranga mudanyira chiti. They looked the agents of constitutional subversions in the eye and said, "We cannot be purchased. That is the spirit of Chimrenga. That is the character of the people who have never been broken. Panavachadi, panavana kupusa. The people do not want this, and the people are not fools." Once again, the name Ziambi is surfaced. This time in Bindura in connection with efforts to manipulate, pressure and bribe citizens into silence on the matter of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 and the ED 2030 agenda. This is not the first time. It will not be the last time. His name is uttered with contempt at the grassroots. I say this plainly, as a man who served this republic in uniform for decades, a minister of justice who subverts the very constitution he is sworn to defend, is not a minister. He is an occupying force within the institutions of the state. Ziambi is a crook in office. History will not absolve him, neither will the people he seeks to deceive. It is a particular absurdity indeed, an insult to the intelligence of the nation that Professor Jonathan Moyo, effective from Zimbabwean justice currently in exile, continues to act as the intellectual architect of the constitutional amendment, whose stated purpose is to extend the comfort of those in power. Moyo and Ziambi are not defending the constitution, they are attempting to overthrow it, to hollow it out from within, to bend its provisions to serve the narrow interest of a political clique. The constitution of Zimbabwe is not a garment to be altered whenever it no longer flatters those who wear it. Effective cannot lecture a foreign people about constitutional order. For my come home first the law first, then speak. Doma developments ari kubuda panguva ino. Pera comment section yedu board zamafunguro aimot kudipa msoro rejection yoitwa kuZANU-PF. Aiwa kwatoona kuti vanhu vajamuka kubindura. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon.